TVI.
Can't run from state police.
42 Little Rock, go ahead and show me 1037.
It's a little after 1 in the morning, and an Arkansas state trooper is attempting to pull over a motorcycle for not having a license plate.
Coming up on the Camp Robinson exit. He's in the middle lane, speeds 100.
He's now actually going over 120 miles an hour.
Coming out of leaving. Taking 152.
The biker exits a highway, but the trooper is still right on his tail. He tries to lose the trooper by cutting through a parking lot.
Coming up on Highway 176.
He runs a stop sign. And another. And then starts driving on the opposite side of the road.
He's driving in the oncoming lanes, back on the eastbound side on Highway 176. What direction? Northeastbound. He's driving onto oncoming traffic right now. Copy northbound, Camp Robinson. CFS comments
He tries to lose the trooper again by cutting through a shopping center.
We're westbound, coming up on Allen Street.
He runs yet another stop sign and then enters a residential area.
10-4, Allen and Chandler. We're taking Chandler Street right now. He's on foot. He crashed out.
He's now trying to make a run for it, but the trooper is right behind him. The trooper deploys his taser, igniting the suspect's backpack.
He's on fire! He's on fire! He's on fire right now.
The suspect falls to the ground and is now trying to put out the fire by rolling in the dirt. A trooper returns with a fire extinguisher and quickly puts out the blaze.
You on the ground?
And not a moment too soon.